Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Lohia. I am the founder of Design Puli. Our association with Brand Kettle started when we were working with an ultra luxury Spanish home decor and lighting brand called Yadro. We were making their flagship store in Delhi, the first and the second largest store all over the world. And our search for a reliable partner to fructify our visions into reality ended with Brand Kettle. We searched for around 2.5 months to get a partner who has that attention to detail, who has that prompt response, who have that quality parameter, and who understands what the client wants. So our search ended with Brand Kettle, where we got that confidence that the vision that we had in our brand, because we had to coordinate with team designers from Spain, designers from India. We had to take in consideration what our customers would want to see they see that our flagship store is being prepared. We got all of that confidence when we met people at Brand Kettle, because the attention that they gave to each and every very small points, that exactly how that thing will be visualized and how that thing will look when we'll actually manufacture that thing, that was exceptional. I mean, we didn't met any of the vendors who could actually present to us what we wanted to see. Their manufacturing capacity is exceptional. They have state-of-the-art machines and all, which do precision cutting and everything, so that not even a single of difference is there. The finishing is top class. The touch, the feel, the look, the shine, everything, it was able to match with our client. Even the top CEO of the Spain team, when they came, they were quite surprised actually how in India we were able to actually attain that finishing. Then one of the major factor that impressed us was that they reached out to us. If there was any single confusion, if there was any single discrepancy, they reached out to us to understand what exactly is going to be done. They didn't wait for us to come to them, boss, we have to do this, we have to do that. There was no need for any follow-ups, there was no need for long calls and all that. There was no need to push after them. Everything, it was something like we were sitting and things were coming into our plate, and we were mesmerized, wow, exactly how it is that we have been looking for so long, and there were so many people we talked to and we did not get the result. But here we got the result in terms of quality. So if you want me to summarize Brand Kettle, I would summarize Brand Kettle in few terms. The first thing is attention to detail, which is very important in this industry, particularly where in the ultra luxury premium segment where we work. The second thing is prompt response, drawings perfection, manufacturing speed, manufacturing quality, manufacturing precision, installation quality, installation speed, post-service sales. That is the most important part in the industry, because no matter how much you work during the execution, after the execution ends, there are small services that we need from the vendor. And that thing was very exceptional. We didn't have to remind them twice. On the very first call, they used to send their very experienced team and manpower who knew about the project, who knew what exactly has to be done, and things were completed on time. Three things in the industry which is needed. One is time, the other is cost, the third is essentially quality. These are the three, what I like to call is the unforbidden triangle. Essentially, all of these things, you will not find a lot of vendor who will be able to give you all of three things simultaneously. But here, we did get all of these things simultaneously, and we did not face any issues. Small things here and there that happens that were handled very professionally. Once we finished our Yadro project, it was appreciated by the global management of the Yadro team. Then we got confident, we wanted to associate with this team. So all in all, after saying all of those things, I'll summarize my entire statement into one thing. I would definitely like to work with Brand Kettle in future for their furniture fixture, for civil interior work. So essentially, Brand Kettle means that I give them the entire work and I don't have to follow up with them. And I am pretty sure, confident, on the date of the final handover, I'll come to the site and I'll get everything spick and fine. So definitely, I would like to work with Brand Kettle in future, and I definitely recommend all my clients, all my associations to work with the Brand Kettle, because this is what the industry needs.
Brand Kettle, best interior fit out company in India.